Hey guys, welcome to the first lesson for our algebra section. I really hope this way I've sectioned you guys kind of off works for you guys instead of having to do chaos. I might lose my mind if I have to do that. But I think this will work best for everybody. So today, and I'm sorry my knee keeps hitting my desk and making my computer wobble. Try to stop. So today we're going to just look at types of numbers. So we're going to start with real numbers. All right, so there's a whole bunch of different kinds of real numbers. We're going to focus on 4. Well, I guess technically 5. It's okay, because a real number is a number, but that's not one that we're counting. So what real numbers do is they include 2 main subsets. They have what we call our irrational numbers. And these are numbers that never end. There is no end in sight. They just keep going on and on and on and on and on, like pi. If you ask your phone or Google or Siri or however you want to do it to list off all the digits of pi, it will never stop because there is no ending. So irrational numbers can be kind of a symbol like we use in math, like pi. Another one that a lot of you don't know yet, but you might become familiar with later on, is the number E. I know it's a letter, it's also a number. Some other ones that are just a little bit more basic would be like the square root of 2. You put that in a calculator, you'll never get an ending number. Just not going to happen. So that's our first one there. I'm going to box that out. All right. The second one, and I'm going to grab a different color. I stole all my markers from school too. So what's the opposite of an irrational number? A rational number. So over here, we're going to put our rational numbers. And these are numbers that can be anything. It can be fractions, it can be decimals, it can be regular numbers, but these numbers end. So for instance, 1/2. 1/2 as a decimal is 0.5. Right? All right. For instance, what if I give you the decimal 0.36? That ends, right? It ends at 6. It doesn't keep going or nothing. It just stops. Another one could be like, let's say 7/8. Wonder what 7/8 will be as a decimal. Let's look. It is 0.875. So that one has 3 decimals, but it still ends. It's not like pi, who's going to go on and on and on and on for infinity and keep going until, I don't know, the universe ends. Who knows? So this whole side is we're going to call for the rational numbers, okay? Now, there are 2 special kinds of rational numbers. So keep in mind, these can be anything. They're fractions, they are decimals, they don't have to be a full number. But the next section is what we're going to call integers. Integers are whole numbers, right? They're a full number. It's not like a fraction or a decimal. There's no pieces to it. It's just a number. But they can be anything from negative infinity to positive infinity, any number, big or small. And it includes 0. So for instance, you could have negative 362. You could have negative 1, have 0. You could have positive 4. You know, the list goes on. It's any number that is positive or negative. Now the next one, you guys are going to laugh at me. These are just called our whole numbers. These are everything that an integer is, but only the positive ones, and it starts at 0. So this starts at 0 as a starting point. Not really an ending point because we don't have an end number, it's just infinity. So it would go 1, 2, 3, so on and so on and so on, which is why I have those 3 little dots there, to positive infinity. All right. And that is the lesson for today. You will have some practice problems over here to the right. I don't know if I really pointed to the right. We'll check it out when I upload it. And then I will also have some notes uploaded on this page for you as well, right below this video. And you can open that up and download it if you need to. All right. Good luck, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.